Hello everyone, I'm Seema Mishra. Today I am presenting my crisis recovery analysis for QuickBite Express, a food delivery company that faced a major crisis in June 2025. I have analyzed 149 key orders to answer 10 key business questions and create a recovery plan. So let's begin it. In June 2025, QuickBite Express faced three problems at once. First, a food safety scandal at partner restaurant went viral. Second, delivery system failed for 1 week during monsoon. Third, competitors like Swiggy and Zomato launched aggressive campaigns. And my analysis had three goals. One, measure exactly how bad the damage was. Second, find the biggest problems. And third, create a recovery plan with clear action. So my first question is, how much did order drop? And the answer is, as you can in the picture, 69% decline from May to September. Before crisis, January to May, 7.5 million orders per month on average. During crisis, June to September, only 2.7 million orders per month. So we have lost 4 million orders monthly. That's two-thirds of our business. The important finding is this wasn't a slow decline. June showed a sudden drop of 58%. This was immediate collapse, not gradual failure. The good news is, if it collapses suddenly, we can potentially recover quickly with the right decision. So, our second question is, which cities were hit hardest? All top 5 cities, as you can see in the image, lost about 70% of orders. Bangalore 70.2%, Mumbai 70.2%, Ahmedabad 69.9%, and so on. What this means, the crisis affected all major cities equally. This wasn't a local problem, it was nationwide. So our recovery strategy needs to target all cities at the same time, not focus on one area. Question 3 is, which restaurant lost the most order? Looking at the restaurant with at least 50 orders before the crisis, number 1 is Bombay Cafe Palace with 93% revenue loss. Second, Classic Thali Bhojanalaya with 17% loss. And number 3, Flavors of Pizza Delight with 16% loss. The pattern here is clear. Premium high-end restaurants suffered the most. Fast food restaurant did better. Why? When people are scared, they go for familiar, safe choices like pizza over fancy dining. The problem here is that 75% of our restaurant partners are now high risk. If they leave for competitors, we lose entire categories of food. And the action here is needed that support these partners immediately to keep them on our platform. Next question to be answered is, how did our operations break down? As you can see, our cancellation doubled. Before crisis, 6.2% of orders cancelled, while during crisis 11.8% cancelled. That's almost twice as many failed deliveries. And for delivery performance, it also got worse. Before crisis 50% on time delivery, during crisis only 36% on time. Nearly two-thirds of orders arrived late. Average delay was 9 extra minutes. Why this matters? Customers were already worried about food safety. Then their food arrives late and cold. That destroys any remaining trust. Cities with longest delivery times had highest cancellation. It's a cycle. Stress leads to delays. Delay lead to more cancellation, and more cancellation create more stress. Bottom line, fix delivery first or nothing else will work. Next question is, how much did customer rating falls? Before crisis, 4.3 stars out of 5. After crisis, 2.6 stars. That's a 40% drop in customer satisfaction. At 2.6 stars, we are barely above existential threat level. What customers said, 77% reviews were negative. Top complaints were late delivery, cold food, unsafe, never again. Disappointed. The word disappointed is important. These customers trusted us and felt personally let down. Recovery target is get to 3.5 stars in 6 months, 4.0 stars in 12 months. Next question is, what specific words did customer use in negative reviews? I analyzed all bad reviews from June to September, and here are the top 10 words. First is delivery, which have 79% negative reviews. Second is late, 77%. Third is cold, 68%, and so on. Have you noticed something? Food safety words like unsafe or contamination aren't at the top. Delivery problems dominate. The crisis started with food safety fails, but delivery failures are what kept customer away. Real customer reviews are worst order. Food arrived cold after 90 minutes. Never order again. After food safety news, too scared to order. Switch to Swiggy. Late delivery, poor package, terrible quality. This app is finished. Four patterns in these reviews are fear about food safety, complain about delivery, switching to competitor, final statement, never done, finished. These aren't customer asking for fixes. These are customers saying goodbye. The key insights are we need to fix both safety concern and delivery problems. Fixing only one won't bring customers back. Next question is how much money did we lose? Total loss 152 million rupees in 4 months. Before crisis 49 million rupees per month. During crisis 11 million rupees per month. The total decline were 78% revenue drop. Average order value stayed at 325 rupees. People didn't order cheaper items, they just stopped ordering. This is good news because it means we haven't destroyed our pricing, we just need to get customers back. If crisis continues, we will lose 456 million rupees per year. What recovery cost is 60 to 80 million rupees for marketing to win customers back, fixing delivery infrastructure, supporting restaurant partners, and safety certificates. Yes, that's a big investment, but we are losing 38 million per month, right? The investment pays for itself in 2 months. Next question is how many loyal customer did we lose? Loyal customer is the people who order 5 or more times before the crisis. 49 loyal customers stopped ordering completely. Worst part is 26 of these were highly satisfied customers who rated us above 4.5 stars. These weren't unhappy customers looking for a reason to leave. These were our biggest fans. They loved us and we lost them. Most were from Delhi and Bangalore, our biggest market. Good news is these customers can come back. Industry data shows 40 to 60% will return with the right approach. Our early tests show 25% already came back after we spent personal messages. But timing matters. Every 90 days we wait, our chances drop by 25%. So the action plan is contact these 26 customers immediately with personal message from leadership. Second, honest explanation of what went wrong. Service guarantees 200 to 500 rupees credit, and the cost for this 13,000 rupees total. And expected result from this is 11 to 16 customer return. Return on investment, these customers are worth 3x more than new customers. Next question is what happened to our top spender? I looked at customer in top 5% by spending people who spend 2,200 rupees or more. What happened to them? Before crisis, 8 orders per customer on average. During crisis, almost 0 orders. The rating dropped from 4.6 stars to 2.1 stars. They have been gone for 6 plus months now. 5 patterns I have found are pattern 1 location. 61% were from Delhi and Bangalore. Second, food preferences. 73% order North Indian, pizza, or biryani. Pattern 3 delivery times. This is key. These top spenders had average 48-minute delivery times. Regular customer had 40-minute delivery times. Our best customer were getting 21% worse service than average customer. Pattern 4 timing. 68% order during peak hours 7 to 9 p.m. when service is slowest. Pattern 5 is time gone. They have been gone 200 plus days on average. And the big finding we can see these customers were already frustrated before the crisis. They paid more but got worse service. The crisis was just the final straw. What this means? Recovery isn't just about fixing crisis damage. We need to actually give our best customer better service. For that, for the recovery plan for top spender, we can admit we give them bad service, be honest, give VIP treatment, priority delivery, dedicated support, give 500 rupee credit, meaningful for 2400 rupees spender. 4. Personal message from CEO, not automated email. By this, the success rate would be 60% will return if we contact them in 30 days. We are at 150 days now. We need to act fast. Here are some Here are some secondary analysis where I found 5 additional findings. First is the competitors. Swiggy gained 15 to 80% market share during our crisis. Zomato got 20 to 25% more app install. Our ranking dropped from 3 to 8. Bottom line, competitors took our customer. Finding 2 is the rising cost. Customer acquisition cost went from 50 rupees to 150 rupees. Why? Competitors bid up ad prices by 42%. Also, monsoon season hurt everyone in the industry. Finding 3 is what works in recovery. Food safety certification 35 to 40% trust increase. Better delivery 40 to 50% less churn. Cashback offers 30 to 40% customer return. Restaurant support 85% partner stay. These numbers come from other companies who recovered from crisis. Finding 4 are restaurant risk. Cloud kitchen 67% at high risk. Traditional restaurant 45% at high risk. 75% of all partners need help to stay with us. And the last finding Who will return? High rated customers who left 60% might come back. Low engagement customer, only 15% might return. For this, the strategy would be focus money on top 30% most likely to return. Based on all this data, here's my 5-step recovery plan. Step 1, rebuild trust. Do this immediately. Publish food safety audit result for all restaurants. Full transparency. Make certification mandatory. No restaurant operates without passing inspection. Launch safety first campaign. Own the problem. Show what we fixed. For this, the cost would be 15 million rupees and the result 35 to 40% trust increase. Step 2, fix delivery. Do this in 3 months. Upgrade technology, better routing, tracking, dispatch. Hire 500 more delivery partners in Delhi and Bangalore. Guarantee delivery times. Refund automatically if we are late. Cost 30 million rupees. And the target increase on time delivery from 36% to 80%. Step 3, win customers back. Do this in 1 3 months. Different approach for different customers. Top spender 500 rupee credit plus VIP support. Loyal customers who left 200 rupee credit plus personal apology. At risk current customer 30% discount plus safety guarantee. Cost 40 million rupees and the result 30 to 40% of targeted customers return. Step 4, support restaurant. Start immediately. Give 60-day commission break to struggling restaurant. Spend 10 million on joint marketing with partners. Share our recovery data with them. Show we are transparent. Target keep 85% of restaurant partners. Step 5, keep monitoring. Do this ongoing. Review this dashboard every week. Track customer sentiment daily, not monthly. Use AI to predict which customer might leave. Adjust strategy monthly based on new data. Total cost for all 5 steps 70 to 80 million rupees. Timeline for this full recovery in 12 months. Important point, we can say that this isn't just about getting back to where we were. We had problems before the crisis. Top customer getting bad service, only 50% on time delivery. If we do this right, we will be stronger than before because we will fix the root problems. The investment is big, but doing nothing cost us 38 million per month. To summarize, the crisis was severe. 69% order lost, 78% revenue lost, 85,000 customers left, 2.6 stars rating. But my analysis shows the path forward. I answered 10 key questions with data. I found specific patterns in customer behavior. I created a 5-step plan with clear cost and timelines. The data is clear, the problems are identified, the solutions are defined. Now it's time to execute. Thank you.